cool something. What's him there? See him there? See him there? Boop! That one here. Things ever go cook it. Little John's. Eating eel for the first time. See there's something there? Say if a fish grab the line, it's gonna start make noise. Woo woo woo! Yeah, so we have a great fisherman here on the bridge.
Yes, master.
What go on?
There, brother.
You must still fight the big fish them one day, you know.
Alright, sir.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
That is it, man.
So it done.
For real. So they're out here, so I'm gonna try to see if we can catch a fish today. I know you're gonna catch fish, you know. Cause where you come from again? We are Manchester. You saw fishing nice? The man left from we are Manchester come
The
and town.
secret to it is every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day.
Alright. Believe, every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day. So we're out here today, a whole heap of rod and reel out. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get a spot to set up my rod and reel, but we're going to find it and we're going to do it. And see you next Mandeville, man. Yeah. Wow, go on.
There, I'm a boss.
Yeah, man. I'm a man, this them saying.
Man.
Yeah, man. Big fisherman. Big up yourself.
Alright, we're back.
So we're out here. We're going to try to catch some fish. You know what thing go. And you don't know, so we have one turbo. Him not look like him then. I move look like him last. What go on?
Yeah, we just observe.
You just observe.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One on the dog.
Big up, my boy.
Member. Yeah, man. Alright. So we're out here. We're going to see if we can catch a couple of fish. Look what go on. A beer. Beer rod and reel line out. You know, you can't see line them in the water, but yeah. Them fully out. Fully out. So you don't know if a line go off a crazy something. And you don't know, so we have to have a teacher up on the bridge, you know. Because you have to teach everything what go on, you know. So if you want to learn how to do fishing on the bridge, you have to come to the teacher. And I am this.
Yes. Pleasant morning, everybody. Pleasant morning, man. Yes, man, I'm here. You see, we're here. Not going on, no people. Yeah, alarm I run off there.
Yeah.
So there's a possibility that something is going on right now with people. But the action,
False alarm.
the real action will start yet.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But I can guarantee you that Nigel will show you what exactly what happened on the bridge today. So stay tuned to Nigel TV. Nigel TV. People, support the thing. Please and thanks. Watch him video. Very energetic person, you know, people.
Yeah.
Trust me, man. Better big up yourself every time, you know. You don't know.
Big up yourself,
As
Missy.
a fisherman.
As a fisherman, yeah, man. Believe. So you're out here. So we're going to show you what go on the bridge. I don't know, set I got full of vibes. One alarm just go off a while ago, but it's just a false alarm. But out here without fear. Just a walk around and make you see what go on. So this is how the Causeway Bridge stay on a Sunday. You have some lines set out, some not set out as yet. Look all pan all that one here. Well big. Hold on. Something there on it. False alarm. Here people may have some, may get some shrimp here. Look what I got, some live shrimp. You get me? So they are set up my line rather than reel. The reel I get from Daddy Irie. I'm gonna put on braid on it. Big up Daddy Irie. Right? I'm gonna link Daddy Irie soon. So we also get the update from Daddy Irie, alright? So we're out here with John.
Yeah, my peeps. Big up on yourself, you know.
Yeah.
As a fisherman. We're
As
out
a
of peeps from
fisherman.
Causeway. I see if we can rig up a line to catch all them big boy there, no peeps. So just stay tuned and watch the process.
Alright, then I'm gonna show you and pin it on people.
Active. So see it, peeps. Right now the arm. You gentle pin it if you not hurt him. Just like that.
Believe.
Yeah, man. So we are set it just so.
So we're gonna set it out, you know. Hope so we hook up something. Set him right at column foot.
So again, people, if you know the measurement, you bring it up like this. You bring it up.
You know a measurement?
Measurement, so it mid-water. So you bring it up like this and measure it to your chest.
You bring it to your chest?
Yeah.
Oh.
So if you look down there, peeps, you can see the sinker and the shrimp on the water surface already.
Yeah.
You drop it in the mid-water, so if you're on the ground with the snapper, them I go bite him off.
Oh, in the level where snook them.
Yeah.
Can hook him, hold him.
Next thing you have to set your drop to kind of want him bring you under the column. Yeah. So right, this one.
Oh. So me I learn people, me I learn again. So we're gonna look for a stone to put on it or something. So what's your process?
Inner side, open him inner side.
Oh.
Right, so you just be the rocket. Rocket to the board. That's how it tough.
Yeah.
Just rock it.
Yeah, a while ago I pin one people and him dead. See me? Hold on, him not dead. Not dead, he's still alive.
Look at. He look like him dead, so no, not dead. Dead.
Come in, bring me a big snook here now. Right now, because so much man up on the bridge, you don't have no stone to hold down your rod on the bridge. So here I do, I go look at stone what I can use to put on my rod for hold it down, just in case a fish hook on the line, him not draw my rod and reel in the sea. So I go look at stone so I can secure it. So you have to walk off a bridge and go down on the flat to find a stone. So that me I go do. I go do it already and find one big one. But right now I go look at a small stone to go up on the next rod and reel. Right? So we go on the bridge. I find two stones. But I go use it now. So I don't want nothing too big. Then I have two right size.
Yeah.
It's a true big brother, little brother syndrome.
Yeah.
I always feel like same can overdo me, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know your man?
I know your brother.
Yo,
Yeah,
cook
but
down, man. I shouldn't have taken a cook down, man.
And me,
Yeah, somebody, the King Minaj, you know, yo.
you can't use my style for my junk, I'm can't blame them for you. Yeah, I'm telling you something.
The King Minaj, you know, yo.
I know this a little boy of... You don't even know something.
Where put the hand on it, man? Where put the hand on it, man?
You don't even know something in the video. You know this a boy of him in a pampas, in a brief or in a pando.
Yeah.
I feel me boy this.
I say, are you big son?
Yeah. Not curious if I cuss him and I run him like dog. Don't make me see nobody do that.
People, but they out here see him where I set up my 3 line, I set out 3 rod and reel with shrimp on it. Right now, I set up my next rod and reel to put on lure, one spoon on it, just in case the jack them start run or start beat or jack them come out. I can use the spoon there to cast out just in case. Alright, but we still out here, nothing now go on, nobody no hook up no fish yet. The bridge is like up on a calm sea today. The breeze are blow very strong, no fish now bite. We don't know what go on yet.
No fish now bite for black man them, but the Chinese man them
Yeah man,
fish.
yeah. The Chinese man them out here.
Always I catch fish.
Yeah man, say whole of Chinese but the whole of Chinese they right out here right now. Them control one side of the bridge. So Chinese them a catch but the black man them not catch. I don't know what going. Where's the black man a waste time?
We just come out there for those for experience.
Yeah.
Nothing more.
See all the Chinese put on alarm on all them rod. You know you can't alarm them. Yeah man. So one of them right here so So when it go off, yeah, woo, 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 woo. So we just wait till it go off. You got to hear it.
Yet. He never yet come
Hear one a go off. Which party there? Oh, and take it up. Chinaman lose one a while ago. Rod gun. Oh no. You don't see spot. Whole rod. Box cover. You see, that's why we have a stone to hold down the rod on the bridge. Cause when a fish take the line, they might go with the whole rod and reel. So that's why me did have to walk go look my stone, look to stone. You get me? Cause when I want the fish them, when the fish them bite, them take with the rod and reel. You get me? But we're still here at try we look, see nah give up now after walk. You don't know say in the evening, the fish them are gonna come out in the evening, John. Yeah man, cause John know the thing, you know, cause John know.
They mostly beat like boat in the 5:30, 6 o'clock or so.
Them time they them beat.
Yeah, them beat them time there.
Okay.
After the breeze cut.
Yeah, cause the breeze right now, the breeze is very strong. So when Mr. Chin here leave again, tell you, a whole heap of Chinaman out here on the bridge, you know.
Say peeps, I never come here one Sunday and the Chinese them not catch fish. Sometimes you have one of them are up on a something. Every Sunday, snook, snapper, jummer, black man sit down and watch. Nothing.
And Chinaman a catch.
Chinaman a catch.
That is it, people. But we're here, I go and do things same way, so I go and watch the process, alright? Believe. Like something go on right here, so you know. Hold them, Mr. Chin, hold them. Mr. Chin, hold something, people. Hold him, Mr. Chin. I went to got something. Whoa. Fish are come up. Nice jump of that, man.
Yeah, you see them are gone one rod, you know?
Yeah, go on gone with the rod.
Yeah.
Just when I fish then gone with Mr. Chin rod.
One rod for me
Then take away one of rod.
Yeah.
They say a year rod and reel and go away with.
Yeah, them one rod of them gone already.
So you never put no stone, you never put any stone on it?
Some stone too small.
Oh, the stone is too small.
Yeah, and I don't realize that them are gone my rod already.
Okay, Jaja. Mr. Chin catch a whole heap of crab, there's a blue crab. A whole heap of crab, this man, look there. Oh, Lord. You know them crab are nice?
What to do with this? What to do with them? What to do with them? How you cook these? You don't know how to cook it? Yeah, you need some Jamaican to teach how to cook crab. Curry blue crab.
Yo, man.
Look like him not speak English.
Beard.
Wait a sec, no English.
No English.
So right, I want to blow up. So you have a next one right here, so load. Good blue crab. Crab for days. But some of them here look like them pregnant. So Mr. China for go Lego some of them here. Some of them have some whole heap of egg around them. One have a whole heap of orange looking egg. The one here right here so black. Most of them are female crab in here, so some of them there for go let go. So then can produce more crab. Most of them crab are down here, so are female crab. I release them when they're down there, so. Cause most of them are female. Or this skunk.
Mud conch.
Mud conch. Wax cover. So we ask the people, are just the Chinaman them alone a catch fish. Black man now catch no fish. See it? Chinaman catch a jummer. And Chinaman catch a whole heap of blue crab. Black man now catch up. Now black black man I catch a just breeze. So, I'm going to watch the process still.
I tell you what go on.
Yeah, make you know what go on.
Chinese man them buy the whole life shrimp them, so them are better bet than we. We just a use what we have. So right now, them we lead we in a certain cases. But none of them a catch whole life fish, because me there days and days and I me kill whole heap of fish more than them.
What about today?
Today, well, our side, alright, black versus China them. You know, this is not racial discussion, people. Here what? Disclaimer, no racism, no racial discussion. Black man kill 2 Jama, me kill a local swanga, next man kill local swanga. So the Chinese them gone 2 fish and we gone 4 or 5. So I'm not going to say them win everything, but most of the days them have more shrimp than we and them are set 24/7. So them have a better statistical base than we. So I'm not say a data go on or water go on. So I'm not lucky. And that's the statistics. Yeah.
So the Chinese they must spend money, black people not spend, black man they not spend the money.
Thank you. Thank you.
So the Chinese spend the money for buy the shrimp, the black man they not spend the money. The black man they might try catch them own bait. What you say?
No, really and truly what really happened, them favor the China man, but China man will pay $250 and $100 them we have to pay. So in that case they will get more money from the Chinese. So the Chinese outbid us.
Okay.
So that is the problem. So at all time they're quick to sell the Chinese cat. One shrimp they can get $250 for it when we buy it $100. So they might go for the more money which you know say that's how it go.
Yeah. So Chinese price higher and the black man price lower. So the black man then get what left?
Remember say them and the people don't follow them. Remember say them bringing everything in Jamaica. Don't follow them. You hear Andrew attack and my prime minister still you know. But don't follow them a China around the world. If them ever say them a poison we out and them chicken never come, we swell big.
Yeah,
me
see the container with the chicken, but them they are not Jamaican chicken. But me see amount of Jamaican where raid the container.
Let me tell you something, as a Jamaican, if you want anything move right now, if you want the whole of WAF move, just tell the Jamaicans them say over there free, you see container lift up and you never know some man a forklift. Just believe me.
Worse than that.
Yeah.
Worse than that. Stadium. If you see the amount of man we are climbing the wall, if you go on the show and the show was free.
But me get wickeder than that.
Yeah.
But they flat bridge and see a supply chain truck turn over. And people we are going to market to them orange and banana. When you look in the rear cobra for one day for in-date plant, everybody orange and banana, you have float and go down. When they see the people in my team supply chain, the place full. I don't tell you like I take 2 steel, but I don't know.
Yeah.
But me, I tell you anything you want to move, tell Jamaicans if you deal with it.
But my thing, you know, the container will turn over with the chicken.
Yeah.
We don't know where it come from. Them say it turn over from half of the ship. But which part the container turn over, where they find the container? No house, no, they know where they're saying no?
No.
And the amount of people, I see some video on TikTok and YouTube, amount of people who raid the container, take out the chicken.
Take that.
The Brazilian and chicken them. When them say chicken them chicken them have no feather.
Frozen. And then I no feather and then no blood. I'm glad me never eat night. But me I tell you now, I look at drama.
Hold on, you sure? Because I see you there now.
Me can't hide me on the front teeth. I'm tired of telling you that. But me I tell you a drama. 3 prime ministers they on a plane. No, prime minister and president they on a plane. And they want to find them country. Push out film head. And they push out film head, I smell the coal and say, yeah, this is my country. Cash to push out film head and smell the coke and say a film country. You know what Andrew do? She bought him brand new Rolex and him see it gone and say Jamaica that.
They say Jamaica and they move with Andrew Rolex. See what I tell the people, Mr. Chin, them a catch all I fish them. I want to catch eel. Want eel. What? Eel.
What the right name for them? Eel. Eel, just eel.
Him know his thing, yeah. Give me a close up on him.
Bite you, look.
Him bite you?
Yeah, I'll bite you.
Bite you,
Oh,
like a dog, you know.
So how you cook him?
Steam them.
You go steam them? Oh. So change them and go cook it. Steam it. Get some blue crab them. So you know what I do? I carry home them, I go curry them, yeah. Look for that one, yeah, man. Bomba!
Look for them, feed them.
That one, yeah, fat. What's him there? See him there? What's him there? Bombat! Yo, one tap and just jump about this a while again. Yeah, one tap and. He like no good.
Oh, no, you couldn't. You can't do it. Come over to the
man suck on the line by the bar.
right on the bridge.
Yeah, 2 times in there, I watch you, I did it under there.
And then sometimes we'll start. I would have watched the line there with the iron.
When you go about the business, I didn't do nothing.
And you are talking too much. And the people
Look here, him, Classy, because he's a panini.
The John skin off the clothes off of him, so we are going to fry him up.
Fry my roast in this one.
Right, that is it. Can't wait for try a piece of it.
Flesh it, you know?
Yeah, look fleshy. Very windy. So I'll leave from up a Kadzur up there, so come down here so I try see if we can catch some bait, but we not catch nothing. So you say I do you know, my G?
Get the fire started, you know?
Yeah, get the fire started.
Yeah, man.
So you say we are cook?
Fry eel and bread.
Fry eel. Fuck some bread. He's gonna have an eel here. Him skin the eel already. And we have 2 crab in it. So him take the eel, take off the eel clothes. So I'm gonna go and throw 2 line right here so I can catch one fish. Meanwhile I'm gonna catch up the fire to fry up the eel. So now watch the process. Look at that. Fire time. Where's the eel? Eel is fish. Look at me pretty. But normally I know say them salt them and put them to dry. Alright. First, I go try this one, but me down to try it. Cut yak. I say you cut them and yak, bust them in a half.
Nah, bust them man, just fry them so. See them here.
It's like split them in a 2.
So?
Yeah.
No man.
You
You say 2 thick?
Yeah.
No man, good so man.
Alright, so yeah, chef, you know, me just there for
First time I eat it to peep, so.
yeah, go. I'm my first one to test it, you know. And then I watch and see after what I go on, alright? So I'm done cut him up. So I season him, I go season it up, you know.
Get it ready, so fire go and burn.
Fire go and burn. Fire burn. So we have some fresh water. We have in our car. So you see I rinse it off.
Yeah. Rinse off the dirt and the little.
You never know so this can't eat, you know. But them say, eat what you catch what you eat. So I hold a eel and I straight in a pot him I go. And then in a belly. But I still there try right here to see if I can catch even at least 1 fish to put in the pot same way, alright? So watch the process. So pot them on fire now. Pot one hot. John just season up the meat eel them. Look at that. We did not do them 2 crab there, but we not bother.
ready.
Butter ready.
Ready for attire.
Hot oil. Oil are going in a pot now.
You want cutlass for the engine?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Oil are going in a pot, babes. While me there, I try catch a fish same way. So going at it for fry too. Watch what I go now. See eel them here, showing a little better. So I have them on piece of plastic bag right here. So cut a piece of the bread bag and I have it on it. So showing some all-purpose season on it. You don't know, so we're not left with Maggie all-purpose. You see me? Pot over here so hot with the oil in it. So you don't know, so just one more thing for going at it, just the eel. Eel for going at the pot here now and start fry. I'm going to tell you how it tastes, guys. First, I try this. John, I go put them in here now. Nice already. Some fry eel. The general I say never have eel before. But we are gonna make him taste piece that see him way. I make him tell you how it tastes, cause I never try. What you say, you never try it, my G?
No, sir.
You're willing to try a piece of it? Alright. So we have another tester here with me, and not just me and Jenna go try it. So we have somebody else here go try it as well. First me go eat it, you know. So I just watch the process. Pull something.
No. Give me.
Really mean John the chef.
Yeah, we'll wrap it up here.
Yeah, John the chef. Action.
This man a born with silver. This man a born with silver spoon and all the things. See that? I want cook, you know. I want cook. Sure? Yeah. Oh, no. Don't put attention. You got one color, no? You got one color, don't put attention. Yeah, man. Let me run it.
Give me a fact.
No. Come that side here. Come on that side. Win it.
Action.
Don't take the grab too much, you know. Yeah.
Only bite tip, a stingray.
Yeah. Yo, gotta get the out of line, you know. Push on the reel, man.
As a fisherman. Turn back chest man, you know. Chef, you big up your chef, you know.
Yeah, man.
One John
Peeps.
Adventure people.
Check out my YouTube channel like John Fishing Adventure Peeps. You have whole heap of mad thing are going over there, peeps. Big fish, big tarp and big snook. Yeah, man, just check it out, man.
Right.
I see everything on.
Believe. John, I try the wait name again? Eel. Bombard.
The peeps.
But tell him say my first piece that we tried.
I try one little piece of it. I make you tell you how it tastes.
Yeah, man,
Yo, bombard. People, tastes like, let me tell you what it tastes like. Who know it? It tastes like Piper.
Piper, I don't know what name.
Them call them yeah, Piper and Jaw. Similar looking, they're more rounder. Hey, it tastes good. Yo, Nigel, come taste that, bro.
Tastes good. No, me I wait 1 hour before me go try it. See that? Eel. Hold on. Eating eel for the first time. Bomba.
No weird taste. No fish taste.
Mm-hmm. Tastes good. It tastes really good. I'm ready for my one. Am I on that? Yes, no man. People, I heal more and catch every time I come and see now. Look what I go on. Heal. Healing at the place. Look what I go on, no man. Believe, no man. If we make one brother say he want to taste it, so we're going to make him taste it. We're going to call him and make him sample it. Peace tight, alright? People, I almost done the whole of it. Tastes good. I'm a little afraid. But I'm still afraid. Although it tastes good, I'm still afraid. Where's the John?
Background, see there? Digging in it. Nah, play.
But that eel is one different type of eel. I don't know what type of eel that one here. But him eat good. I enjoy it. But I don't go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. Think after this when I done eat, I go pack up and get out of here and do a man thing. Not more than going out here. Right? What's the problem? Yes, honey dog. Oh yeah, run gun away, brother. Oh, I want hear how it tastes. Yeah. One honey dog.
She's a good boss. How got this?
John is chef man. John cook eel to blow. Oh, I never know the eel can eat.
He's nice man, but I just trim him so look a fine bone in him.
Oh, Sunday first you eat it.
No, I love eel.
Oh.
God, I don't know if that's
You never know myself when I cook it.
Tastes good, man, I lie.
yeah, just look a fine bone. People. Nigel and him, 2 mad people. But they hungry, so we give thanks to him.
So you're going to get everybody watch that first, so.
This mother right now, this mother on KFC.
See?
Yeah.
So you're going to get them on it a while ago.
So cook up the eel, only one thing it do is just full of a lot of fine bone, but it's nice, I'm not lie. It tastes right. So if you never try it, you don't give it a try, you see me? But we are out here, so big up on yourself. And you don't know, so we're going to catch you in our next video again, you see me? What you say, John?
As a fisherman, big up yourself, you know, bro.
Big up, no man,
One
believe.
love, man. Yeah, man, believe.
Darbo, what you say?
Who is that guy?
Alright. So we're out here, so big up on yourself. And we catch you in our next vlog, alright? Believe.